Hello children, welcome back to geography class. Today we are going to start our second chapter, scale and distance. Okay, so the map represents a portion of the earth's surface. It has several elements like title, north line, scale and key that helps us to read and understand it easily. Okay, so now what is a scale? A map scale is the ratio of distance between two places on a map to the actual distance between the same two places on the ground. Okay, so what is a scale? It is the ratio of distance between two places on a map to the actual distance between the two places on the ground. Okay. Map scales. Large scale maps show the most detail but only cover a smaller area. For example, we have road maps, town plans, and so on. But small scale maps show less detail but it covers a larger area. For example, maps of the whole of the UK or the maps of the whole of India. It gives the less detail, okay, but it covers a larger area. So map scales are represented in three different ways. Okay, so there are three different ways to write the scale. Okay, so one is word scale or verbal or statement scale. Okay, the second one is geographical or linear scale, and the third one is representative fraction or RF. Okay, ratio scale or representative fraction scale. So these are the three different ways to write scale. Okay. Map scales, the first one is word scale or verbal or statement scale. Okay, so the scale is stated in words. So you can see the scale will be stated in words. The units are usually mentioned in this type of scale. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer, or 1 centimeter to 5 kilometer. Okay, so a stated scale says exactly how much distance is represented by 1 centimeter, in this case 8 kilometer. Okay, so 1 centimeter is equal to 8 kilometer on the actual ground. It is the most useful scale for calculating distance. The next one is linear scale. A linear scale is usually present on most maps. It tells us how much map distance represents a certain real distance on the ground. For example, the scale shows the map distance that equals 10 kilometers in real distance. Okay, so you can observe here in this diagram. Okay, the linear scale line is divided into 5 equal parts. Okay, 5 equal parts, and each of 1 centimeter apart. So each of these parts represent a distance of 50 kilometers on the ground. Okay. The user of the map has to place a straight edged paper or a piece of string beside the 2 points to be measured. Mark the 2 points on the paper or string and measure the distance between these two marked points using the scale given at the bottom of the map. Okay, so in this way the actual distance between the 2 points will be known, okay, by using the linear scale. Next, we will discuss regarding the representative fraction, that is RF. This is a numerical scale that gives the ratio of distance between two places on the map and the distance between the same places on the ground. This means 1 unit on the map would be equal to 50,000 units of the same distance on the ground. Okay, the ratio is also given as a fraction such as 1 by 50,000, with the numerator representing 1 unit on the map, okay, and the denominator representing 50,000 units on the ground. Okay, so now 1 unit on the map equals to 50,000 units on the ground. Okay, you calculate the ground distance between 2 points by measuring the distance between the same 2 points on the map and by multiplying the map distance by the denominator of the RF. Okay, for example, if the distance between 2 points A and B on the map is 5 centimeter, and if the scale is 1 is to 50,000 or the RF is 1 by 50,000, then the distance between the 2 points, that is A and B, on the ground would be 5 into 50,000 centimeter. So that is equal to 250,000 centimeter. So 5 centimeter on the map would be 250,000 centimeter or 2.5 kilometer on the ground. Okay, so this is how we calculate the distance by using the representative fraction or by using the scale of RF. Okay, so we'll stop here and we'll continue the remaining in the next video. Go through the video carefully. If you have not understood any of the point, you can ask me. Thank you.